Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the important topic of post-treatment care for laser therapy on toenail fungus. Laser therapy is an innovative and effective treatment option for getting rid of stubborn toenail fungus. However, proper post-treatment care is crucial to maximize the results and prevent the recurrence of the infection. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to take care of your nails after laser therapy. The first step in post-treatment care is to keep your feet clean and dry. After laser therapy, it is important to wash your feet daily with mild soap and lukewarm water. Gently pat them dry with a clean towel, paying close attention to the areas between your toes. Avoid leaving your feet wet for prolonged periods, as moisture can create a breeding ground for fungal growth. When it comes to choosing footwear, opt for breathable shoes and moisture-wicking socks. Avoid wearing tight-fitting shoes or those made from synthetic materials that trap moisture. Instead, choose shoes made from natural materials like leather or canvas, as they allow your feet to breathe. Moisture-wicking socks help to keep your feet dry by absorbing sweat. To further prevent the recurrence of toenail fungus, it is recommended to apply an anti-fungal cream or powder to your feet and nails. These over-the-counter products help to kill any remaining fungus and protect your nails from reinfection. Follow the instructions provided on the packaging and apply the product as directed. Regularly trimming your nails is an important part of post-treatment care. Use clean and sterilized nail clippers to trim your nails straight across. Avoid cutting them too short to prevent ingrown nails. Keeping your nails short and properly maintained reduces the risk of reinfection and promotes quicker healing. During the post-treatment period, it is advisable to avoid using nail polish and artificial nails. These products can trap moisture and prevent the nails from breathing, creating an ideal environment for fungal growth. It's best to allow your nails to recover naturally and breathe freely. Congratulations! You have learned how to take care of your nails after laser therapy for toenail fungus. By following these simple steps, you can enhance the effectiveness of the treatment and prevent the recurrence of the infection. Remember, consistency and proper hygiene are key to maintaining healthy nails. Don't forget to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized post-treatment care instructions.